So now we're at the South Tower. So basically this is the Willoughby Chevy Chase, which is a condo building. So apparently there's the North Tower, the South Tower, and then the North Tower is like well over there. And the, what's it called? So when you go this direction, I'll show you real quickly. So apparently the North Tower is way over there, and then around there is the service elevator. And then once you go up, a certain direction. So basically the South Tower is basically the taller one. So we're gonna go up to 25 briefly. The roof, which is the 25th floor, we're gonna go there briefly. And then check it out real quick. You know, the real estate agent said that I could check it out while I'm here, so these elevators do take forever. So apparently the front desk said that there's several elevators that here around that are what's it called, that are out of service. So it's slightly frustrating, but oh well. As long as I'm able to get those other ones, I'm not complaining. I'm guessing that's just the one. All right. Here's one coming up. One right here. All right. One up. Okay, so we're on 23rd. Then we're gonna go check out the roof while we're at it, and then once there's probably some maintenance around here. Oh well, we'll check this out while we can.